My name is Richard Owen. I'm Director of the Miscarriage of Justice Project, and at the Science Festival we'll be looking at post-conviction legal work and we'll be looking at all the forensic science issues which are involved in taking a case to trial. At the Science Festival we'll be running a simulated crime scene investigation looking at the types of forensic science that might have been left at a crime scene and how you get those pieces of evidence to court without contaminating them. At the Science Festival you can expect to dress up as a forensic scientist, go onto a simulated crime scene, extract evidence and take it in a position where it would be ready to go to court. We'll also be looking at psychological issues such as confirmation bias as well. You can find me at the Swansea Science Festival at 5 p.m. on Thursday the 8th of November in the Taliesin Creative Mall.